Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Maurizio Martini from Italy and I'm a dentist with a master in implant prosthesis, and I would like to invite you to my upcoming course about surgical extraction and wisdom teeth together with CAPPmea. Even a single extraction might become tricky if you don't use the right approach and some special tips and tricks that to get away safely with that. So this is what you will learn in this course. And what about when it comes to wisdom teeth? In this case, you need a good diagnosis and a reliable strategy to make sure that you can keep under control all the possible complications and unforeseen events. And this is what you will learn in this course, practicing on sheep's head and special dummy model that I brought from Italy. Moreover, you will learn how to make a good diagnosis and recognize the different degrees of difficulties when it comes to the extraction. So, when it gets hard and risky, are you sure you want to get in trouble putting the patient in a high risk of damaging the nerve? Or you want, for example, use something alternative like coronectomy? Join me and I'm sure you will acquire the confidence and the competence to make the extraction less invasive and straightforward for your patient. So don't lose the chance, join me and see you in CAPPmea.